Today, we'll learn how to draft a skirt. First, we double-click to open the software and create a new file. The first step is to establish the size table. Find the main size table. Click on it to open a dialog box. Box size chart has two ways to create it. The first one, we can manually enter the specifications, parts, sizes, and so on. The second way, we can directly import the Excel table that we made in advance. I will directly import the pre-made table here. Click OK to return to the drawing area. In the design mode, let's start with the basic framework. Holding the mouse button down, drag it downwards, and release it when you've moved it to the desired position. We can see a small dialog box pop up on the side, where we input our horizontal and vertical measurements. Horizontally, we enter half of the hips. Vertically, we enter input the length minus the waistband width. Then we use the parallel line tool to draw the hip line. Holding the line down, drag it downwards and input 16.5. Next, we create the kick pleat. Drag the horizontal line down 1 centimeter and then find the midpoint of the line. The mouse will automatically recognize the midpoint when you place it on the line, so click the left button to confirm. Click the point with the T-square tool to create a vertical line. Next, let's start with the back slice. We use the online point finding tool. Just left click and a dialog box will pop up. Select the nearby point for reference. Input 0.7 and then right click to confirm. Next, click on the point we made, drag it to the upper horizontal line, and right click. Here, we input waist size divided by 4 minus 0.5 plus 5. Click OK, and then just right click in the blank area. Next, we connect these points one by one. Right click on this line to adjust the line type. If you want to make a polyline, place the mouse on the turning point and double click. Then the polyline is done. Next, we determine the position of the darts. Place the mouse on the line segment and press 3 on the numeric keypad, and the line segment is trisected. Then we are going to make these two darts. Place the mouse on this point. Press V, move the mouse down, and click the left button. Click OK. A dialog box shows up and input our values. The dart amount is 2.5, and the length is 10.5. Here you can set the opening direction of the dart, dart fill, and label. With the same method, we complete the second dart. Then our back piece is done. Next, we draw the front piece. First, with the same unit gauge tool, click on this point, right click on the line, and input waist divided by 4 plus 0.5 plus 4. Click OK. Connect the side seams in the same sequence, then confirm with the right button. Our side seam is connected. Similarly, right-click on the line to adjust the line. Double-click on the turning point, and the polyline is completed. Again, we need to make the waist darts for the front body. First, determine the position of the darts. Place the mouse on the line segment and press 3 on the numeric keypad. The line segment is trisected. Then we are going to make these two darts. Place the mouse on this point. Press V, move the mouse down, and click the left button. The total amount of our waist darts is 4 centimeters, so each one is 2 centimeters. Click to confirm and pop up the dialog box to input our values. The width amount is 2, and the length is 9.5. Here you can set the opening direction of the dart, dart fill, and label. With the same method, we complete the second dart. Then our front piece is done. Finally, we'll use the corner rounding tool to round the side of the waistline. First of all, box select the first line we want to connect. Click the following lines in turn. and then select the lines we need to sew in order after selecting. Then we press the shortcut key C. You can see that it is joined in sequence, and then we can adjust it. Click the left button on the line, drag the left button to adjust. And end with the right button, then confirm again with the right button. Finally, let's draw the waistband. Press and hold the left button to drag down. In the dialog box, input the waist. And the waistband vertically. Next, find the midpoint position. The mouse is automatically recognized when placed on the line, and confirm with the right button. Make a vertical line upwards. Finally, we use the symmetrical point tool. Right-click in the blank area of the pattern mode, select the symmetrical point tool. In other tools, click the center point, select the line, and input waist divided by 4 minus 0.5. Click OK. After using the tool, we need to return to our pattern mode for the following operations, and make vertical lines upwards in sequence. Then we are going to make an overlap. Use the extension line tool. Select the line to be extended by the mouse box. Click the left button on this point and move it outward. Input 3 centimeters, and then connect it with the half rect tool. Press and hold the left button and drag it to this point. Our skirt is finished here. We can press shortcut key AIT plus G to view the grading of our structure diagram, and press Alt plus G again to return to our structure diagram. Then our sharing today is over. Thank you for your learning.